find us?
It has nearly unlimited
Bobo
resources.
snoring.
Andy's smart.
I don't think we can get out of here without being spotted.
Well, we don't want them to have that decoration or the glasses. But we especially don't want them to have them both together.
So what do we do?
We separate the lock from the key. We're splitting up.
Gravy.
Really?
Where's gravy?
I'll take this. And those. You keep that. Meet me at the car and call me if you have any problems.
Like if we get caught and killed?
Yeah, that would be a big problem. Take care of her.